Good morning guys, in front of me is REDMI Pad SE and let me show you how to add Google account to this device. At first open the settings, then find and select Accounts and Sync, and here click on Add Account. Select Google. And now it's time to enter email address or phone number. In my case, it is email address. And once it is entered, tap on Next. Then provide the password. Now just read Google Terms of Service, Google Play Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. To do it, just mark the link, then scroll through all the info, and if you do agree, tap on I agree. Actually, you have to do it if you want to activate and add your Google account, otherwise it will not be possible. Click on Accept, and that's it, your account has been added. So this is it, this is how you can add account, and whenever you want to remove some account, just pick the particular account, tap on More, and select Remove Account. So that is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.